Listen, just because my office is on the 7th floor and I have views like this, doesn't mean shit don't go wrong. So I'm making my notch. Tell me what the fuck is wrong here. How do you cut like that? Just eject it. Buster's down there now trying to find it. Anyway, needless to say, I'm switching fucking bars. Switching saws. Yeah, that's the second time in less than a day. Yeah. And don't tell me to buy a fucking Husky, because they're worse.